to another nail video. Today I want to show you how I like to do my Russian dry manicure and what bits I prefer. So this is so embarrassing. Look how bad my nails look. It's been a rough past couple of weeks for me. I've had nails break and chip off. I haven't done my nails in a while. I've been relying on press-ons this whole time. So they're really out of shape. I was actually hesitant about filming my nails like this because there's always that weird shame or stigma in the nail industry that nail techs have to have their nails done all the time, but that's just not true. I have other things outside of my nail life and things that have kept me busy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove all of the dead skin, like really hard dry skin that I have. It's so callous because I wash my hands way too much and I'm constantly cooking. I'm gonna use 4 types of bits in a specific order. So starting with the first one here, this is a micro taper. I like to use this first to clean the cuticle and dry skin around the nail. And I also like to use it to buff the nail plate and prep my nail for the gel instead of using a buffer. But just keep in mind that if you prep your nails with a bit like this, the bit is gonna get dull a little faster. One thing I forgot to mention is that these are all diamond bits. They're really gentle and they're not meant to cut your skin. They're meant to exfoliate your skin. Russian manicures, they're waterless manicures. It's done with real diamond cuticle bits to kind of buff away all the dead skin. It's kind of like exfoliating your skin in a way. Instead of cutting and nipping with the nippers, I only use the nippers if I see hangnails. So if I see any hangnails on my nails, which clearly I have a few, I might have to use the nippers for that. So, but yeah, I like to rely mostly on these diamond bits. And these are from Erica's ATA. I'm gonna put links in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing these. Let's get to it. The micro taper, I like to use this one first. Then I like to go in with a detail bit. This one is amazing because it goes right in between the nail fold, the side nail fold, and the nail. So you can get in there and remove all of that hard dry skin like how I'm doing here. So it fits in between these folds here. And it also helps with removing any hangnails and super dry callous skin. So this is actually one of my favorite bits. All of these are my favorite, but this one is just amazing because it can really get in there deep and remove all that crusty skin. This one is a ball bit, and this one is really cool because you can remove all the skin that's hanging off. And lastly, I like to use this polisher ball bit. So not necessarily too close to the nail, just using this outside or on the side of my finger. It just makes a huge difference. It basically buffs away and polishes your skin right outside, like right here. Guys, so I'm done with both hands. This is what my nails and my cuticles look like. Nice and moisturized and exfoliated. All the hangnails are gone. My right hand. Let me know if you guys have any questions and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up. I had a lot of fun cleaning my cuticles. It was much needed. I hope you guys enjoyed the transformation. All right. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.